Hello, I'm Shin and I bought a new car, and this is Mazda 626 GLX Grand Luxury Extreme from 86, 2.0 engine, petrol, benzene with added gas. And yeah, I bought it for really cheap. So it will be, and it's Mazda. I'm not sure if I tell you that. And it's in very good condition. Let's go inside. As you can see, everything is in great shape. It has for now 222 kilometers. Everything works here. I will not turn it on. Also, it's added front lights. I will show it to you later. I'm not sure how is it in English. This is a console from gas, mask, yeah, for cigarettes, radio, for cassettes. Actually, it's nearly 50. No, it's 50 Celsius degrees here. Yeah, some documents. Also, it has air condition for both. The console, some of mass. Oh shit, I didn't know that. Look at this. Oh, come on. Awesome. I didn't know that. Wow, so awesome. And behind? No, it hasn't. Yeah, also I have a switch light here from bottom to front. It's very nice. And yeah, another light. As you can see, it's inside is in really great condition. Also, it has floor is in great shape because somebody before me did a floor with zinc. Yeah, this is a space in, I forgot the word, but you know, in this area, in this back, here is a gas bottle under it. Okay, I will not showing it to you now. You must trust me. That's why this wheel is here. Also, it has a completely new whole exhaust system. I'm not sure if you see it, but the floor is new floor. Also, I can put this rear seats. I can flip them, and then I have more space behind. test lights from the switch. They are for they give me more light on sides of car. Yeah, and this is an engine. Also, as you can see, everything is in good condition. It's new alternator, it's new belt, it's new echo filters and other stuff like this. And this will be all. You can see here it's original. Yeah, so this will be all in this video. Short. I just wanted to show this car to you. And also this red paint is original one. And look at this. Such beautiful. Yeah. I hope you like this video. It's not long enough. I told you not a lot, but I just wanted to show you it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.